In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on Temu. By the end, you'll have a brand new account set up and ready to use, with a clear understanding of each step and a few practical tips to make everything go smoothly. First, open the official Temu website in a trusted browser. For the safest experience, type the address directly into your address bar rather than clicking on random links. Once the page loads, glance at the top right corner of the website. You'll see an option labeled Sign in Register. Click that. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see it immediately, open the main menu and look for the same Sign in or Register option there. Next, choose your preferred sign-up method. Temu typically lets you register using an email address, a mobile phone number, or a connected account from a service you already use. Pick the method you're most comfortable with. If you choose phone, make sure you can receive text messages right now. If you choose email, confirm you have access to that inbox so you can complete verification without delays. Now, enter your details. Provide your email address or phone number, then create a strong password. Aim for a password that's long, unique, and hard to guess. Avoid using the same password you've used elsewhere, and steer clear of personal information like birthdays. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it generate and safely store a secure password for you. Take a moment to double-check for typos before you continue. After you submit your information, verify your account. Temu will send a short code to your chosen contact method. Go to your inbox or your messages, find that code, and enter it on the website. If it doesn't arrive within a minute or two, look in your spam or junk folder if you used email or request a new code. Also, make sure your device's time and network are set correctly, as that can affect time-sensitive codes. Finally, finish registration. Once your code is accepted, confirm any remaining prompts, such as agreeing to the terms and privacy policy, and complete the process. You should now be signed in. From here, you can start browsing, and when you're ready, you can update your profile details, shipping address, and preferences within your account settings. If anything doesn't look right, use the official help or support links on the site. That's it. Quick, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Temu account.